remember? That's why we saved it. Okay, so you can throw it to him. Throw it. I know you're not that's it. That's it now.
Yeah, one second.
That's it. Oh, bless God. Let's go. Say bye to the vlog. Say bye. We have some left. Did you want to give it to them, boss? You don't have to.
Yeah, sure, mate. I've got some as well. Yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
Yeah, you might as well, isn't it?
Yeah, cheers. Bye bye.
you. Say
See,
bye.
oh, do you want bye bye. Bye bye.
It's finished now. It's finished now.
Oh,
Let's
we'll throw it to him. Okay. Bye bye. Hello. Oh look. Yeah. Come here. Break it up in two. Break it up in bits.
Okay, break it.
Break up in half. All right. All right. Go and give it to him. Give it to her. Give it to her. Give it this one. No, give it to her. There you go. That's not right. All right. Break up in small bits, darling. All right, easy. Easy. Yeah, small bit. Don't throw it on the floor for him. All right.
Is that enough?
Yeah, go and start on 4 for the big ones. There's a lot here, isn't there? Yeah, go on.
Okay.
Be quick, darling, because they're going to come right over, quick. No, you've got to throw a big handful. Throw a big handful. Not one, throw big. That's it, throw it. That's it. Then add some more. You've got to be quicker, darling. Yeah. Yeah, got to be quick though. Oh. Yeah, go and quick, darling. That's it. Oh, blimey. We've got some more, haven't we? That's it, guys. That's it. That's all we got. Darling, it's good day up there, darling. We're going to other springs, darling, yeah? That's it, guys. I'm sorry. That's it. That's it. We should have bought some more bread, shouldn't we? We should have got some more bread. Alright, I'll tell you what I'll do. I don't believe it. She's alright. Good darling, she's alright. It's keeping her quiet. There's loads in there.
Thank you for watching.